Like always, Ryobi is coming with some cool and handy tools from the beginning of the year. So we thought of making a list where you'll get to know about all the new Ryobi tools. Now let's check them out! Spending hours crawling under vehicles or tackling low-level repairs? The Ryobi 18V 1 Plus dual-function lighted creeper seat is your new best friend. This genius tool flips between a creeper and a padded seat, supporting up to 400 pounds for rock-solid stability. Its integrated LED lights pump out 300 lumens, illuminating tight spaces so you can spot every nut and bolt with ease. The durable steel frame and smooth rolling casters glide effortlessly over shop floors, even on rough surfaces. Powered by an 18-volt battery, it's perfect for automotive work, furniture assembly, or home repairs. The adjustable design lets you lock in your ideal position, and the compact fold makes storage a breeze. Say goodbye to sore knees and dark corners. This creeper seat combo has you covered for any low-down job. Got some grinding, cutting, or polishing to tackle? The Ryobi Brushless 4.5-inch angle grinder is ready to rip through metal, masonry, or tile like it's nothing. Its brushless motor cranks out 11,000 RPM for faster material removal and up to 50% longer runtime than brushed models. Compatible with 4.5-inch discs, it's perfect for sharpening blades, removing rust, or cutting rebar. The 3-position handle adjusts for comfort, and the tool-free guard makes repositioning a snap. At just 4.5 pounds, it's easy to handle even for long sessions. Pair it with a 4.0 ampere-hour battery for up to 45 minutes of grinding power. The spindle lock simplifies disc swaps, and the overmold grip reduces fatigue. From job sites to home workshops, this grinder's got the muscle for any tough task. Sick of scrubbing away at stubborn dirt by hand? The Ryobi USB Lithium telescoping power scrubber is here to make cleaning a total breeze. Its handle extends from 3 to 5 feet, so you can hit high spots like siding or low ones like baseboards without bending or stretching. The USB lithium battery powers a 210 RPM motor, paired with a 6-inch pad that blasts through grime on tiles, grout, or outdoor furniture. The waterproof IPX7 design handles wet messes, and the tool-free pad replacement keeps things simple. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, it's super portable, and the USB-C charging means you can power up anywhere. From patio furniture to bathroom walls, this scrubber turns tough cleaning jobs into quick, effortless win. Working in the dark got you squinting? The Ryobi TriPOWER tripod light is your go-to for bright, flexible illumination. This beast pumps out up to 3,000 lumens across 3 adjustable LED panels, letting you direct light exactly where you need it. Ceiling, floor, or anywhere in between. It runs on an 18-volt battery, AC power, or a 12V car adapter, so you're covered in any situation. The tripod extends to 5 feet for overhead lighting, and the sturdy frame folds down for easy storage. With up to 20 hours of runtime on a 4.0A battery, it's ideal for job sites, camping, or emergency repairs. The IP54 rating shrugs off dust and splashes, and the impact-resistant design handles rough conditions. Light up your work like never before. Feeling the heat on a sweltering job site? The new misting fan is your personal cooling station. This compact fan delivers 600 CFM of airflow plus a fine mist to drop the temperature fast. Powered by a USB lithium battery, it runs up to 6 hours with adjustable fan and mist settings for customized comfort. The 180-degree pivoting head directs airflow wherever you need it, and the clip-on design attaches to belts, tables, or tents. At just 1.5 pounds, it's perfect for construction sites, picnics, or sports events. The durable housing withstands drops, and USB-C charging keeps it convenient. Whether you're laying bricks or relaxing outdoors, this misting fan keeps you cool, calm, and focused all day long. Got leaves or dirt mucking up your pool or hot tub? The all-new, super cool pool vacuum is here to make cleanup a cinch. This cordless vacuum uses a waterproof battery to power a strong suction motor, pulling debris like sand or small leaves into its easy clean filter. Weighing only 3 pounds, it's a breeze to maneuver underwater. And the included floor head tackles pools up to 6 feet deep. It runs up to 30 minutes on a 2.0A battery, perfect for quick maintenance of small pools or spas. The tool-free filter system makes emptying a snap. Keep your water crystal clear without the hassle. This vacuum's a pool owner's dream. Fumbling around in dim corners? The Ryobi Hybrid magnetic LED task light blasts away darkness with up to 1,500 lumens across 3 brightness settings. It runs on an 18V 1+ battery or an extension cord, giving you up to 48 hours of light on low with a 6.08 battery. The magnetic base sticks to metal surfaces like tool boxes or car hoods, and the 2X hanging hook offers versatile mounting options. A USB-C port lets you charge your phone on the go, and the IP54 rating protects against dust and water. At just 2 pounds, it's perfect for automotive repairs, camping, or home projects. Durable and compact, this light keeps your workspace bright and your tasks on track. Struggling with tight spaces and pesky stains? The Detail Scrubber from Ryobi is your secret weapon for precision cleaning. This pint-sized powerhouse delivers 2 to 10 RPM through a 3-inch triangular pad, perfect for scrubbing grout, sink edges, or car interior crevices. Its USB lithium battery runs for up to 40 minutes and charges via USB-C, making it ultra-portable for home or travel. Weighing just 1.2 pounds, it's comfy for long sessions. And the IPX7 waterproof design handles wet environments like showers or outdoor gear cleaning. The tool-free pad swap keeps maintenance simple, and the ergonomic grip reduces hand strain. From bathroom tiles to sneakers, this scrubber makes detailed cleaning quick, easy, and honestly kind of fun. Ryobi 40 VHP brushless 18 inches chainsaw. The Ryobi 18-inch chainsaw is a high-performance tool designed to replace gas chainsaws, offering more power than a traditional 40cc gas model. Featuring 40-volt HP technology, it combines a robust brushless motor, advanced electronics, and high-performance lithium technology to ensure greater power, longer runtime, and enhanced durability. With the included 6 amp-hour battery, it delivers over 90 cuts per charge, and its premium full-house chain ensures faster cutting and extended runtime. The 18-inch bar and chain can handle cuts up to 32-inch, perfect for felling, bucking, and limbing tasks. This chainsaw includes an automatic oiler for continuous chain lubrication, a mechanical chain brake for kickback protection, and a variable speed trigger for maximum control. Additionally, it features a combination wrench stored on the tool for precise chain tension adjustments. Ryobi Speedbench Mobile Workstation. Now here's a new tool from Ryobi. The Speedbench Mobile Workstation is a versatile 2-in-1 product that quickly transforms from a cart to a workbench with one fluid motion. This tool is perfect for working and storing tools anywhere. Its durable design features a large 42 by 22-inch solid woodwork surface with a 400-pound weight capacity so that you can do 4-sided edge clamping and tool mounting. The work surface includes convenient SAE metric measurement and protractor lines for easy reference. The workstation comes with link accessory rails that can be mounted in multiple locations. When converted to cart orientation, it features a sturdy steel frame, a heavy-duty 19-inch skid plate, and 10-inch all-terrain wheels. It means you can transport up to 300 pounds of materials effortlessly across any work site. Here's another small but efficient tool that comes on our list: the Ryobi RTS 18C0 brushless tile saw. This saw might look like it was made to do some light cutting, but it comes with enough power that will let you take on any demanding tile cutting project. This handheld cordless tool is made for versatility and precision. Capable of wet or dry cutting, it delivers impressive speeds of up to 10,800 revolutions per minute, allowing it to effortlessly cut through ceramic tile, masonry, glass, and natural stone. This tile saw features a 127mm diamond cutting disc for durability, and a water tank for efficient wet cutting. Meanwhile, it also comes with a parallel guide that stands for the most accurate cuts possible. Additionally, it includes onboard wrench storage for quick and convenient blade changes, so that you can face off any tiling project. Ryobi 40 VHP Brushless 1200 PSI Pressure Washer. This is the Ryobi Brushless 1200 PSI 1.0 GPM Pressure Washer. This tool offers powerful and portable cleaning without the hassle of cords. From washing cars and boats to cleaning patio furniture, sidewalks, and bricks, you can tackle any job with ease. With a 40-volt 12 amp-hour battery, it provides 40 minutes of runtime, making it perfect for light-duty jobs. You can use it around the yard with a standard garden hose or on the go with the included siphon hose to draw water from any fresh source. The pressure washer features two modes. The first one is the Eco mode, which operates at 900 psi for extended runtime. Another one is a high mode that operates 1200 psi for maximum power. Its lightweight design ensures easy transportation, and the three included nozzles, stored directly on the unit, cater to various cleaning needs. That's our rundown of the slickest new Ryobi tools for 2025. Got a favorite? Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to catch more tool reviews. See you on the next job.